Hello, everybody. Bob Bianchi here, giving this law talk. Figured it'd be a good conversation since I am waiting at the Essex County Jail and will be for the next hour and 45 minutes until I can get in to see a client. Waiting for Dave to come here as well, my law partner. And we just decided to do a segment on time is really not on your side when you're dealing with litigation. We've handled cases from every avenue you can think of: business litigation cases, criminal cases, domestic violence, municipal court. I see my partner Dave is watching right now, and listen, time is part of the justice system, and I think what shocks people the most is how much time it takes in order to get a matter resolved. We try very hard with our clients to explain the entire system to them from the very beginning, because it takes time for bail hearings. The courts are jammed with cases. I have a civil case right now, for example, that is over 5 years old, waiting to go to trial. When I was prosecutor in Morris County, I had murder cases that were 7, 8, 9 years old waiting for trial. And part of the job as a lawyer is to try to push that case when you are ready as quickly as possible. But the fact of the matter is, there's just so many cases that the court system can handle. So it's very important if you're going to file a lawsuit. Everybody wants to file a lawsuit. They heard the McDonald's coffee cup story. Oh, why did they get millions of dollars and I'm not? It is a very slow process, especially in civil. In criminal, it's moving a little bit quicker lately, especially with the new bail reform. And if you are incarcerated, the cases get to trial quicker. But if you're not incarcerated, it actually takes longer. Hey, Chris Bolger, how are you, bud? And Mike McDermott, how you doing, guy? So listen, this is really, really important for people to understand. It is a slow process, and for the lawyers to do their job correctly, it takes time. And obviously you want to move the case as quickly as possible, but like I said, there are so many obstacles to doing that. So think, if you're going to proactively file a civil suit or get involved in the judicial system, that would be not in criminal because you don't choose to be arrested, you better be very, very careful and ask your lawyer, what does this entail and how long will it take? If you should be caught up in the criminal justice system, it can really be a very arduous thing. There's what we call collateral consequences, your job, your family, all sorts of things tumble when you get arrested for a crime. And then on top of it, you have to wait for such a significant period of time before a case is actually resolved. And here are the cases that go longer, even longer, are those cases that are defendable, those cases in which there is a defense, because the court system really wants to deal with the cases they can resolve quickly. We call it in our terms criminal case disposition, claims disposition, to move it as quickly as possible to a plea and a resolution. And those cases where you have a viable defense, where you have an ability to be able to either say that it's something less than what they were charged with, or in fact they're not guilty of an offense, those cases really last long. So you got to hold on tight. You got to have good family support, good friend support, and just wait. You take a deep breath, because it's not going to be done sooner than later. So listen, appreciate you guys watching as always. How you doing, Ralph? It's great to see you. Thank you for the compliment. And if you can, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have all my informal videos there on law pieces, and that's at Robert Bianchi, prosecutor retired. And of course, if you or your family or friends should ever have a problem in the area of criminal need for criminal defense or domestic violence or municipal court, myself and my partner Dave Bruno are both certified New Jersey Supreme Court certified criminal trial attorneys. We like to say that we know what it's like to be on the other side, having been former prosecutors, so that helps us prepare even better for our criminal defense cases, and we would be honored to represent anybody that you would push our way. So I hope you have a great day. I hope this video was informative. If you think it is and you think somebody could benefit by it, certainly feel free to send it out to anybody that could benefit by it. Hey, Kevin O'Callahan, my old bud from Seton Hall Prep, great to see you guys. Thank you everyone for your support, your continued support, for watching these videos, for commenting on them, and we'll be talking to you. Hopefully I'll be out of this Essex County Jail by 3 o'clock today. Have a productive meeting with the client, and listen, it is what it is. It's tough, no matter how you look at it, no matter what your political point of view is. Being locked up in jail when you're presumed innocent before you've been tried is always a difficult thing. Okay, thanks. Bye.